every year, the Indus Entrepreneurs University program is being run, and the university students and graduates are provided a platform to compete through the idea they have. That idea can be any solution in your mind to solve a problem you may see anywhere in the society. Today, Foundation University Islamabad FUI, in partnership with the Indus Entrepreneurs Islamabad chapter, has brought to you an interactive session on the TIE University program. TIE will enable your campus ideas, startups to transform into a viable business. You will get exposure to the world-class mentors, coaching sessions, and global startup ecosystem. To tell you more about Pakistani entrepreneurship ecosystem and the TIE University program, we have a very distinguished guest with us today. Mr. Murtaza Zaidi is a seasoned entrepreneur who has founded, launched, and invested in multiple businesses over the last 2 decades. His passion for innovation has many of his companies become industry leaders in their respective domains. A software services company, Cyberizing International Limited, a crowdsourced hospitality-centric real estate builder company, Zesora Private Limited, fast-growing donut chain, Dough with the Flow, a digital media agency, Spaceman Studios, and a solar power energy company, QWatt Private Limited. He currently serves as the CEO of Cybervision International and is a part of board of directors for all other ventures I just mentioned. Being an entrepreneur himself, Murtaza feels a profound responsibility to create and promote an enabling environment for entrepreneurship. He is the honorary president of board, the Indus Entrepreneurs Islamabad chapter. I would now request you all to please welcome Mr. Murtaza Zaidi with the noise of your claps, please.
For inviting me, Taimur and Abdul Moin. अभी तैमूर ने मुझे थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि all of these youngsters are very interested in entrepreneurship and that is why they are sitting here. If that is true, then I would be really surprised, because I've been a student myself और बहुत सारे इस तरह की speaker session में आमतौर पर जो है ना कहा जाता था यार हॉल फिल करना आ जाओ 5 बच्चे उस फैकल्टी मेंबर से 5 बच्चे उस फैकल्टी मेंबर से तो ऐसे बच्चे कौन से हैं जो फोर्स होकर बैठे हैं Not even one? I don't think you guys will become good entrepreneurs, let me tell you that. पहले ही सही तो या तो सच बोल दो या फिर बाकी अगर entrepreneurship में interested हो तो maybe times have changed because when I was a student I was definitely the one जो या तो फोर्स बैठता था या बिल्कुल कोने में उन मैम की तरह बैठते थे कि किसी तरह दरवाज़ा खुलेगा और मैं पीछे से भाग जाऊंगा राइट सो खैर entrepreneurship is an exciting journey and when I was coming here I wanted to share few things what I have so far experienced और जो हम छोटे छोटे वेंचर्स हम बनाते चले गए उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें थी एंड कुछ की बात इतनी आई एम सॉरी यू हैड टू गो थ्रू अ डिटेल्ड इंट्रोडक्शन लेकिन उसमें कुछ चीज़ें आपने मेंशन कर दी सो आई विल जस्ट स्किप थ्रू फ्यू स्लाइड्स जिसमें आई विल शेयर माई जर्नी व्हेन आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट I did my graduation from Bahria University in 2004, right? So आप लोगों की तरह ना मैं भी ऐसे ही स्टूडेंट था जो नस्ट या फास्ट या GIK में जिन्हें एडमिशन नहीं मिलता था तो वी हैड आप सॉरी टू से दैट लेकिन दैट्स ट्रूथ राइट सो लॉट ऑफ यू गाइस तो मैंने तो वालिद साहब ने कहा जाकर टेस्ट देना है फास्ट यूनिवर्सिटी का ट्राई तो कर लो तो जिस दिन टेस्ट था उस दिन मैं और मेरे 3-4 नोटोरियस दोस्त हम लोग स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स चले गए और स्विमिंग करते रहे 3-4 घंटे राइट और जब वो फास्ट के रिजल्ट अनाउंस हुए तो माय डैड केप्ट आस्किंग मी यार तुम चेक तो कर लो रिजल्ट कि शायद हो गया हो लेकिन आई न्यू कि हमने तो टेस्ट ही नहीं दिया था इवेंचुअली वी लैंडेड इन बैरियर यूनिवर्सिटी और आई स्टार्टेड माय सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग जब सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग का पहला ही सेमेस्टर था आई रियलाइज कि इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट प्लेइंग प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया उस ज़माने में हमारे ज़माने में यही गेम्स होती थी प्रिंस ऑफ पर्शिया और वो मारियो ब्रदर्स की एक गेम होती थी and it is not about that it is actually about calculus and C++ which I found it really boring right और calculus तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आती थी so I flunked in calculus thrice और आई थिंक चौथी दफ़ा में ये था कि किसी फैकल्टी मेंबर ने सिफारिश की थी कि इसको पास कर दें, बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में अच्छा है, सिर्फ एक दो में ख़राब है, तो ये ना हो कि बिल्कुल ही निकल जाए. बट इन द वेरी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर आई रियलाइज्ड कि यू नो दिस प्रॉब्ली इज़ नॉट फॉर मी, राइट. ये जो जर्नी थी ना एजुकेशन सिस्टम, मुझे बहुत बड़ा उससे मसला लगता था. और मैं ये आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी के हो सकता है कुछ फैकल्टी मेंबर्स भी बैठे हों, लेकिन आई वाज प्रॉब्ली द वन हु डिड नॉट इवन बॉदर टू गो बैक एंड पिक माय डिग्री और ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, राइट. एंड आई डिड रीजनेबली वेल. लेकिन अब मुझे अंदाज़ा होता है कि व्हेन आई लुक बैक, आई थिंक आई शुड हैव गिवन अ लॉट मोर importance to my studies. I should have gotten into better universities. I should have learned a lot of things, right? Like down the lane, time has gone. So when you're here, you have a great opportunity to learn. So don't be like me. Be someone who focuses on your studies, learn, gain a lot of knowledge, because this is a time when you can do it in the most effective manner, right? उसके बाद life के challenges शुरू हो जाएंगे. But at the same time, what happened with me? I started in the very first semester of my bachelor degree, right? So that gave me a lot of time to कि आप बहुत जल्दी जब शुरू हो जाते हैं अपने करियर में, तो फिर आप बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस आप से गुजरते हैं. वो एक्सपीरियंसेस ऐसे होते हैं जो शायद आपको एकेडेमिया में नहीं मिल सकते. वो आप जब तक यू डोंट जंप इनटू द रियल वर्ल्ड, यू डोंट गेन दैट एक्सपीरियंस, राइट. सो आई वाज लकी दैट आई वाज एबल टू गेट दैट एक्सपीरियंस इन अ वेरी अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ माय entrepreneurial career, right? So the first company I launched back then was CyberVision. It's a tech solutions company. We develop software solutions. We have worked across the country. We have worked with around 33 countries overall. We have over 350, customers so far. We're in Islamabad, Lahore, and Karachi. It's still, no, I'm not the CEO anymore. One of my colleagues, she has taken over the CEO role now recently. And I'm just enjoying myself as the major shareholder in the company. So I built this company, provide solutions to a lot of people, and it's a growing company still, mashallah. In 2008, I became an honorary volunteer at TAI Islamabad as an executive director, right? And then we did a lot of things. We started with probably Pakistan's biggest स्टार्टअप कंपटीशन, पाकिस्तान स्टार्टअप कप के नाम से. तैमूर अभी बता रहे थे कि पिछले साल के सेमी फाइनलिस्ट में फाउंडेशन यूनिवर्सिटी से कोई स्टार्टअप था, राइट. सो दैट अच्छा, रियली. सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग, बिकॉज इन स्टार्टअप कप 2000 एप्लीकेशंस कम, राइट, फ्रॉम लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद, कराची, पेशावर, फैसलाबाद, सखर, गिलगित बल्तिस्तान, चित्राल, AJK, you name it. And then if you were one of the semi-finalists, so that's a great thing. I'm really impressed about that. So Pakistan Startup Cup we have been doing for the past 7-8 years at TAI. We launched a Women Entrepreneurship Center, We Create ke naam se. It's in F11. So if anybody lives over there and they're women, they want to work out of, We Create, you're more than welcome. There are programs like incubation, acceleration, mentorship sessions. So, it's a place for females. I don't get a desk over there, unfortunately, because Sophia doesn't let me sit there. She says it's for women, right? So there's reverse discrimination, which might be good at this point in time. So please feel free, go there and enjoy. We launched an angel fund too. We invested in one company from our own funds, which is Sakoon. It was out of Karachi. But then we did a lot of other fundings too. So in USAID Samia, there's a program which has invested over $7.5 million so far, and they will be investing $2.5 million again. So we designed that challenge, we designed that process, we managed and executed that program, right? Recently, there was a UNDP program in which probably we have given $200,000, right? So every year we give a lot of cash to startups, SMEs through our different programs. So be part of TAI, and be part of TAI's Facebook or Instagram page so that you continue to see all these opportunities and wait for that. I remember in 2009, this is probably 12 years back. So I was 27 years old back then. I was in a GT, a party. I saw this very flashy guy wearing a very flashy belt, shoes भी बड़े अच्छे थे, LV की belt, ये वो बड़ा उससे inspire हुआ. मैंने कहा what do you do? तो he said कि I'm into oil and gas. तो मैंने कहा यार ये oil and gas में होना चाहिए because I want to look like that, you know, बड़ा flashy scene है, right? Later on I realized कि I don't like those flashy things, but I launched this company Quantum back then. We made a Singaporean company invest with us. We were the first Pakistani oil and gas seismic processing center. So I kind of turned into a geophysicist as well back then. This company was, you know, when there was an oil downturn, market crashed, and we exited by giving our resources to Halliburton, right? So that was, you know, we didn't make any money. It was kind of a loss because, you know, we had to close down the company, but it was a great experience. And later on, I found out कि वो जो बंदा था जिसने मुझे कहा था कि they're into oil and gas, उनका एक पेट्रोल पंप था. And because of that petrol pump, I got into a company. But yeah, so I worked with the government of Pakistan. मुझे, you know, उस ज़माने में PTI को सपोर्ट करने का बड़ा शौक था मुझे, लेकिन पीछे उस वक्त के प्राइम मिनिस्टर शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी खड़े रहे, तो मैं बैठे ही रहा. मैंने कहा लंबे लंबे साइन करते जाओ और इनको खड़ा ही रखो, राइट? सो वी लॉन्च दिस NIC Peshawar. I partnered with a private company and launched 2 incubation centers, one in Karachi, one in Peshawar, right? This is something which we built in Peshawar, looked very nice, very fancy. 2 years back, I've been investing in an R&D company, which due to some government policies is in big trouble these days, and especially when steel price is going up and dollar is appreciating. But I started an EV company. Have you seen Easy Bikes by any chance in Islamabad? The red small bikes. They use our technology. So their controllers, their battery packs, we have built them for them, right? So this is something which I'm working on, investing on. It's an electric vehicle company, the very first Pakistani. You know, we believe in designing our own product lines rather than just importing stuff from China, right? So wish me luck with that. We are in a problematic state at this point in time. I hope we don't lose all our money out there, but this is what we are doing. Long-term inspiration, we want to come up with some nice buses. थोड़ी सी ये मुझे आयरन मैन से मिलती जुलती लगती है, लेकिन आई थिंक द डिज़ाइनर वाज काइंड ऑफ इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हिम. कोविड आया, कोविड में बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस बंद हुए हुए थे, एंड मजाक में हमने एक कंपनी शुरू की जिसमें हमने सोचा कि टाइम अच्छा है, नथिया गली में कोई एक होटल बना लेते हैं. और ड्यूरिंग द पास्ट 2 years नाउ वी आर बिल्डिंग 3 resorts in नथिया गली. और if you will be nice to me for the rest of your lives, you will get a good discount whenever you're traveling to Nathia Gali, right? So we will have 3 resorts over there. This is one of the hotels which we are building. It will be finished, inshallah, in 2022, November, December. Have you eaten dough with the flow?
Yes.
Donuts?
Yes.
I had a really bad experience though.
I'm sorry about that. You will get free donuts. Only she will get free donuts, all right? Right? So they're handmade donuts. We don't use any preservatives. But you used to eat them, you know, कितनी दफ़ा खाए और bad experience कब हुआ?
Twice, but the second time I ordered from DHA. But not like someone took a
ये DHA का मसला होगा, किसी फौजी साहब ने कुछ किया होगा. वरना we were very good, you know. But no. So Jawad, can you take her number and we will send us free donuts, right? So this is.
Can I point out another problem? You know, we had a small outlet in Islamabad campus, in the medical campus, where MBBS, BDS, other programs are offered. The outlet was, they used to finish in an hour time maximum, and they used to refill through a bike delivery. And then suddenly, they went out of the scene. I don't know what happened.
Can I tell you what happened?
Yes.
You can ask your university administration. I think we are trying to get back. So give us space. We will make a good kiosk over there here as well, right?
No issue.
So right. So yeah, we would love to. In fact, I think my team was following up. We were doing very good. We recently opened up in Fast as well. I think we are in Beria. So this business started in 2020 December. So in 1 year, we are in 30 places. According to Food Panda, we are 6 times bigger than Dunkin' Donuts now in terms of orders. And this is purely a Pakistani venture. We bake donuts fresh every day, twice. तो वो ख़त्म इसलिए हो जाता है क्योंकि हमारी फ़िलासफ़ी ये है कि वी ओनली सेंड फ्रेश डोनट्स, राइट। तो जब वो ख़त्म होने वाले होते हैं तब फिर दूसरा लौट जाता है। एंड डोनट ऐसी है, इसका प्रोसेस ये है कि टू मेक वन बैच यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर 8-9 आवर्स। सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हाँ बस डोनट बना दो और वो कोई बना देगा आपको, राइट। और बट it is a very interesting space. I never thought I'll be in food business. I never thought I'll be making donuts. But I think we are very excited now because there are a lot of happy customers and one not so happy customer, unfortunately. We'll make you happy today, right? So then there are a few other companies, a solar company, QWatt, it's advertising agency, Spaceman. Udaan is a not-for-profit company in which we are training people and sending them, especially last year जब hospitality business बहुत ख़राब हो गया था, so a lot of people were firing. Marriott and PC उन्होंने collectively 1500 लोगों को निकाला था. So what we were doing was कि we were trying to find them jobs in Pakistan, outside Pakistan, and we thought it's a good opportunity. So we just train people in hospitality and try to position them in Gulf and MENA region so that they find jobs through our contacts. This is not a money-making venture. It is just there to support people and help people in hospitality and tourism. Learning curve. So I think in my journey, since I started very early and I experienced the experience of having no experience at all, that itself is a big experience, So, बहुत ज़्यादा, so I'm not so old, but I lost half my hair, and probably all of them. Then I got a retransplant, तो फिर थोड़े बहुत नज़र आना शुरू हो गए. But the truth is that the journey wasn't very easy, right? Now it's very easy. I get up late. That's why I was 5 minutes late over here, right? I'm sorry about that. But the initial 10 years or 15 years, they were very tough, right? And back then, I think उसका एक reason भी है. उसका एक reason ये है कि when we were in our university, when I started my business, and when I used to go to meetings, so a lot of people used to discourage me. They used to say, "यार आप तो बच्चे हैं, आपको क्या पता है," right? But now the world has changed. The youngsters are taking over. The startups, the new things. So people are respectful towards young entrepreneurs. There are organizations, institutions like TAI and other organizations who mentor and support entrepreneurs, right? At our time, we were not supported. At our time, we did not have social media. So हम कुछ करना चाहते थे तो हमने marketing क्या करनी थी? हमने pamphlet बनाने थे और banner लगाने थे. It means you needed a lot more capital. So now in the digital world, anybody can start their business, right? And I think that is a real opportunity. आप कितनी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी है? सिर्फ ये वाला कैंपस कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं आपके?
4,000 in this campus.
हर साल कितने ग्रेजुएट करते हैं?
Around about 500 plus.
एंड दिस इज मतलब ये बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी या छोटी यूनिवर्सिटी, मतलब जितनी यूनिवर्सिटी है, दिस लाइक अ मिड साइज यूनिवर्सिटी, राइट? सो 500 a mid size university is graduating. How many universities are in Islamabad and Pindi?
36.
36 universities. And it means that if every university graduates 500 students every year, 18,000 students are being graduated. Do you think there are 18,000 jobs in Islamabad and Pindi? तो क्या करेंगे? So now that's a serious problem right in front of you. When I was growing up, probably we have 6-7 universities in Islamabad, graduating 3,000 students, and obviously there were jobs. Banks were coming in, telecoms were coming in, or banks or telecom combined, I think they employ 40,000, minimum 40,000 skilled, educated resource in Islamabad and Pindi, right? So what are you guys going to do? Problem hai. But this problem is probably the best thing which would happen to you. Let me tell you that, right? Because SMEs are the real engine of growth for any country. We talk about big companies in the United States. We talk about Amazon, Apple, Facebook, GE, big giants. But do you know 94% employment in US is because of SME sector? Right, small and medium enterprises. So that is the real engine of growth, and anybody can start that now. We started donuts from nothing. There was one of my partners. He started baking donuts in his kitchen, and then we thought, they taste nice, so let's start something. We started with very less capital. It does not mean that आप लोग मेरा कंपटीशन बन जाए, इट मीन्स कि आप लोग कोई और आइडिया सोचे और कुछ और करें, ठीक है, राइट? सो नंबर 1, love what you're doing. This is very important, right? Don't do anything in life. Life is very short, you know. Nowadays, I keep telling people that 40-year-old guys are dying right, left, and center, right? This was never the case before. We never used to, you know. So life is short. You don't know when the time is up. So make sure whatever time you have, just do whatever you love. It does not matter that you are, you know, running a business, you are doing a job, you are playing, you are an artist, you are painting, you are singing, you are dancing. Just do whatever you want to do, you know. So that's rule number 1. And don't come into a social pressure. वो आजकल के बच्चे वैसे भी social pressure में नहीं आते, ना अपने माँ बाप की सुनते हैं, ना social norms का इतना ख्याल रखते हैं. But still, this is something which is very important. So I loved building small teams, small ventures. That used to give me a real kick. So all these businesses which are there now, it's because I think I liked starting up. You know, that used to give me a certain kick. I loved doing that. और जब वो establish हो जाता, I used to move on, right? और फिर उसके CEOs आ जाते हैं या दूसरे लोग आ जाते हैं, partners आ जाते हैं. But think about this. Whatever you love, you need to do that. Life is too short, right? Money, you know, yes, वो कहते हैं it's comfortable to cry in a Mercedes, but that's true. But at the same time, just do whatever makes you happy. So yeah, so that's rule number 1. Risks. So a lot of people, a lot of youngsters, they say कि यार बड़ी risky domain है, आपने अपना business शुरू किया, क्योंकि this is what we have been thinking, you know, we have been listening all our lives. This is what our parents or society used to tell कि वो business करना बड़ा risky proposition है. But you know what is more riskier than running your own business? It's doing a job these days. Because when you get fired, because you're just too truthful, you are great at what you do, you are better than your boss, he or she starts disliking you, or you at the end of the day really messes up something, makes a mistake, which humans can do. What happens? You get fired. Now what can you do? You start applying. But getting a job is not in your hands. It depends on the employer whether they need you or not, right? So now there's a problem. But when you run a business and you fail, you learn so many things, you make a network, you make so many friends, you see opportunities because it opens up your eyes, right? And you can start doing something else instantly. Even it may be even going to Raja Bazaar and buying some toothpicks and going to De Watson and Efton and selling them for a slightly more margin. It can be anything. Because you live in a country of 220 million people. Everybody needs minimum 15 to 20 things to survive and live, right? So it means that there is a great opportunity and the risk is less, but everything, you know, what you can do is don't be a fool. Come up with calculated risks, right? So you know, you can always categorize, okay, fine, if I do this, this is the worst thing which can happen. Come up with your figures, come up with your statistics, do your numbers, do your math, do simple math. Even if you don't know how to do detailed financial modeling, does not matter, right? Everybody knows how to add things, everybody knows how to subtract things. I think itna to aa gaya hoga university aate aate, right? So put your numbers on the board. See what worst can happen to you. And then see what best can happen to you. Take the middle route. If you don't want to be too ambitious, take the middle route. कि हाँ यार इतना हो गया ना, इतना मैं नुकसान बर्दाश्त कर लूँगा. Take calculated risk. So don't go all in. ये पोकर की गेम नहीं है कि आप ना all in करेंगे और आगे से आपका चांस है कि जैकपॉट हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा, right? ये business है. So be realistic. At times you're over ambitious with your plans, but if you land in the middle, that's fine. ठीक है? Give more to your customers. जैसे I might get one customer back when she will get 6 free donuts today, right? She might start. So be nice to your customers. Be nice to your friends. Be nice to your family. Be generous. Because when you're generous, it makes you feel good, right? When it makes you feel good, you are more positive about life. When you are more positive about life, you see more positive things. You see more opportunities. You know, and a happy heart is the best thing. So be generous to people, to society, to your friends. Don't be always like, नहीं ये मेरा है, ये तो मैं ही लूँगा, ठीक है? Give away. कुछ मसला नहीं है. You will survive. You will live. But the number of friends which you will make in your journey, they will support you. So at times you have people whom you were just simply nice once. They will be there to support you for the rest of your life, right? So give more. Don't try to be a jackass trying to, you know, get hold of everything. आप लगती है मुझे वैसे ही थोड़ी सी. हाँ? Yeah. Take the plunge. When you make a mistake, take responsibility. Don't give it to others. नहीं वो असल में ना कल पाकिस्तान सेमीफाइनल हार गया, मैं बड़ा डिप्रेस था, रात को पढ़ा नहीं, सुबह फेल हो गया. नहीं यार, आप पढ़े नहीं इसलिए फेल हुए. पाकिस्तान के मैच पर इल्ज़ाम मत दें, ठीक है? डोंट वाइन और क्राई अबाउट, ओ मेरे माँ बाप ने इतने पैसे नहीं कमाए थे इसलिए नहीं था, ओ मेरे माँ बाप ने ये नहीं किया तो ये नहीं हुआ, ओ मुझे ये मौका नहीं मिला, ओ उसको सिफारिश मिल गई, ओ मैंने आपको गलत चीज़ दी, वो इसलिए दी क्योंकि पीछे वाले सप्लायर ने गलत दी. नहीं यार, स्टॉप लिविंग इन अ फूल्स पैराडाइज. स्टार्ट टेकिंग योर ओन responsibilities, your own, you know, mistakes. Own them. Because you will learn and you will become a better person. No harm in saying sorry, no harm in accepting your fault and saying, yaar, sorry, I messed up. And that is a better thing to do with your customers, to your partners, to your friends, to your families. You know, you own a responsibility. At least other people will forgive you then. अगर आप इधर उधर इल्ज़ाम डालते रहेंगे, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं उसका. ठीक है? Be a better person today, right? Knowledge. When I look back, I wasted a lot of time. You know, either I was building my business or having fun with my friends. And I think I could have done better if I had gained a lot more knowledge. And now I have to do that every day. So the learning curve should never stop. You should always look for knowledge. I'm not talking about your grades, 4 GPAs, ये वो फलान धमाका. मेरे जितने 4 GPAs थे बेचारे वो they all ended up working for me, right? Because उनको वो 4 GPA की study आती थी, इधर उधर की knowledge नहीं आती थी. Knowledge is something else, grades is something else. So be knowledgeable about things, right? Your Facebook, your Instagram feed should not consist of what Kardashians are doing or what Nargis Fakhri is doing or what, you know, Shahid Afridi is saying. It should be about good things. It can, you know, you can have feed. It's what you search. So you will instantly gain a lot of knowledge every day. So focus on gaining knowledge. Don't waste time. You know, and at times, you know, getting knowledge in the digital media world might be a bit entertaining as well, right? So because they're giving you very short descriptions of knowledge, so look for that. Respect people with experience. Learn from them. Don't say, oh, ये मेरे टीचर, इनको क्या पता यार, ये तो बेचारे अभी भी ऑल्टो में आते हैं, कोई सीन नहीं है इनका. Don't do that. Everyone out there, learn from them. Experience has no substitute. When you are about to start something, anything, go to people, learn from their experiences, and don't make the same mistakes again, right? And respect experience. Don't try to be a, you know, Superman or Superwoman के हमें तो बस सब कुछ पता है. ऐसा नहीं है, right? और जो आपके mentors बनेंगे, advisors बनेंगे, उनकी आप respect करें, and their, you know, words of wisdom will definitely help you down the lane. Don't do everything yourself. Find people who can do it for you, right? Don't try to be someone, अच्छा नहीं मैं खुद करूँगा तो सब अच्छा होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. There are people out there who are much better than you, for sure. राइट? सो मेक श्योर कि यू लर्न दिस आर्ट कि आपने लोगों के साथ मिलकर कैसे काम करना है, अपने काम उनको कैसे देने हैं। जब आप छोटी सी टीम्स बनाओगे अपने बिजनेस के लिए तो आपने दूसरों से काम कैसे कराने हैं। You cannot do everything. So make sure that you believe in others, you empower others, let them play their game for you. ठीक है? So give work, trust them, empower them, advise them and guide them, right? Don't be someone जो मैं ये सारा काम खुद कर लूँगा। वो जो सारा काम खुद कर रहे होते हैं ना वो फिर आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते। So they're in a problematic space because you have little time, right? आपने उसी एक दिन के अंदर आपने सोना भी है, खाना भी खाना है, फैमिली को भी टाइम देना है, अब काम भी करना है, अपने लिए भी टाइम निकालना है। सो मेक श्योर कि यू आर समवन हु रिलाइज ऑन अदर्स, ठीक है? लेकिन मेक श्योर कि आप उनसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी एक्सट्रैक्ट करें, राइट? फाइंड पार्टनर्स। ये ना हो कि आप shaadi.com पर पहुंच जाएं आज। नो, दैट्स ये वो वाले पार्टनर्स ही हैं। फाइंड पार्टनर्स whom you can work with. इनिशियल 2-3 कंपनीज मैंने अकेले बिल्ड की थी। When now I look back, it's good to have partners. They lift you up when you are, in a problematic state. They helped you, you helped them. It becomes a more interesting journey. And the fun the partners are, the better the journey is. So maybe you can start your own small businesses with your friends, right? और लेकिन अब इतना ज़रूर उनको स्पेस दीजिएगा कि उनकी मिस्टेक्स को आप बर्दाश्त कर सकते हो और वो आपकी मिस्टेक्स को बर्दाश्त करें और एक हेल्दी तरीके से अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को रिजॉल्व करें। बट इट्स गुड टू फाइंड पार्टनर्स इन बिजनेस, राइट? इट हेल्प्स यू कीप गोइंग, इट गेट्स यू एन एक्स्ट्रा सपोर्ट। एंड डोंट बी चीप विद शेयरिंग इक्विटी इन द बिजनेस, ठीक है? अगर इफ समबडी इज ब्रिंगिंग वैल्यू इनिशियली, रिवॉर्ड देम। सेलिब्रेट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। जब आप बहुत छोटा बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं, आप स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, अपना बिजनेस शुरू करेंगे, छोटी छोटी सक्सेस हो तो उस पर जाके डो विद द फ्लो के डोनट खरीदिएगा, ठीक है? सेलिब्रेट कीजिएगा, राइट? सो मेक श्योर कि आप खुश हों लाइफ में, आपको अपने छोटे छोटे गोल्स अच्छे लगे और आपके अंदर जो है ना वो एक ह्यूमन फैक्टर है, ये ना आप वर्क मशीन बन जाए। सेलिब्रेट करें, जितनी बड़ी सक्सेस उतनी बड़ी सेलिब्रेशन, राइट? सो वर्क हार्ड और पार्टी हार्ड। कोई इसके अंदर बुराई नहीं है। गो ऑल इन। नाउ you need to do things. Market will be competitive. There are a lot of businesses, right? But entrepreneurship में एक चीज़ बहुत important है. Do things differently. Even if you want to pick up, you want to supply a table, do it in a different manner because you will find a bigger customer base. So whatever you do it differently. ठीक है? In every business, this is what I try to do. छोटी सी भी चीज़ हो, डोनट्स पहले भी बन रहे थे, होटल्स पहले भी बन रहे थे, सर्विसेज कंपनीज पहले भी थी, लेकिन हम हर चीज़ में सोचते हैं कि हम इसको थोड़ा सा डिफरेंटली, इट कैन बी द बिजनेस मॉडल, इट कैन बी द प्रोडक्ट, इट कैन बी बोथ, राइट? सो सोचें कि किस तरह आप जल्दी मार्केट में जा सकते हैं, आप किस तरह कोई भी चीज़ सेल कर सकते हैं नए अंदाज से. And I'm sure all of you, all the youngsters, you know a lot more about the new norms of life. We don't. I don't know how to use Snapchat or TikTok. I don't know how to post a story on Instagram. I have to take my wife's support, help in, when she grills me, I don't post anything about her. I have to forcefully do that. But then she has to do it on my Instagram. So because you're young, you do these things every day. So you can figure out the new ways, the new norms, right? And that can be your real strength because oldies don't know a lot of things. They would have to rely on you, right? So you know the mindset of the majority of the population of Pakistan, right? They say ना कि 65% जो है वो हमारी 30% से 30 years old से कम है. So that's तो वो आप लोग हैं. आप लोगों को पता है कि आप लोग कैसे रहते हैं, आप लोग कैसे खेलते हैं, आप लोग कैसे काम करते हैं, आप लोग कैसे सोचते हैं. So use that opportunity. सबसे important चीज़. Somebody asked me, how do you become a CEO? I said, go to a printer and get your cards designed and printed, you know. That's the first step. Take the first step. A lot of people keep talking about running their own businesses with some great ideas and with some great potential. They really could have pulled it अगर उन्होंने अपना पहला step लिया होता. So the difference between a lot of entrepreneurs and you guys, that you did not take the first step. और नेचर का एक सिस्टम है, राइट? और नेचर का सिस्टम ये है कि वो खुद ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज निकालती है. और इसमें ये होता है कि कुछ लोग जो है ना, दे स्टैंड अप. Somebody will stand up from this class, will start doing his or her thing, and he or she will hire the rest of you guys. Because the system has to be in place that people need to find avenues to get salaries and all. But and then Allah Miya will be Allah Miya. और आप अगर क्रिश्चियन हैं तो आपके भी अल्लाह मियाँ हैं, अगर आप हिंदू हैं तो आपके भी राम बुद्धा जो भी हैं, राइट? वो नेचर ऐसी बिल्ट हुई हुई है कि वो आपको सपोर्ट करेगी एंड थिंग्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली हैपन फॉर यू. सो लॉट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स व्हेन दे से कि यार वो बड़े लकी थे, वो लकी नहीं थे. द नेचर वाज एक्चुअली प्लेइंग इट्स रोल, राइट? क्योंकि उसने तो जॉब देनी थी अगलों को. सो कलेक्टिवली अल्लाह का शुक्र है, व्हेन आई लुक बैक, यू नो, आई वाज नॉट अ गुड स्टूडेंट. I was not even extremely smart. I still am not, right? I rely on a lot of my colleagues, I rely on a lot of my partners who bring a lot of knowledge, a lot of intellect on table, right? But I know that at times I used to think we need to do something for Pakistan. So we earn a lot of revenue from, you know, from our exports and our businesses. So that's a good feeling कि वो dollars Pakistan आते हैं. That's a good feeling in all our businesses we have 650 people working for us. That is a great feeling to have. कि we know कि यार 650 ख़ानदान को हमारे ज़रिए से कुछ ना कुछ मिल रहा है. इसमें हमारी कोई सीन नहीं था. We were very ordinary people. It's just that nature had to play its role. So make sure, you know, you have that killer instinct. You have that first initiative. आप कुछ भी करना शुरू करेंगे ना, सेवर की तरह छाबड़ी पे आपने पुलाव बेचना शुरू करेंगे. अच्छा, look at what they have done, and I'm sure, you know, you guys can do more, right? I love this picture. This is a picture from Peshawar. You know, I did not put it here because I look very good in this, because I was like 6 kg lesser. I posted this because, you know, all these youngsters, they belong to very humble families. Very humble. किसी का बाप टेक्नीशियन है, किसी का बाप चपरासी है, एक खातून का बाप ही नहीं है. दे कभी भी ये सोच नहीं सकते थे कि हम फाउंडेशन यूनिवर्सिटी जैसी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाएंगे और एक हेफ्टी प्राइस पे करेंगे पर सेमेस्टर उसमें, और हम सब के सेलफोन्स जो है ना बड़े अच्छे होंगे जो मैं देख रहा हूँ. ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं है. आपका तो अच्छा होना चाहिए, अब यू ग्रोन अप, राइट? लेकिन दे ऑल टुक द फर्स्ट स्टेप. इनमें से एक इलेक्ट्रोसर्जिकल यूनिट्स बना रहे हैं. एक की कंपनी है इलेक्ट्रोसर्जिकल यूनिट्स जो सर्जरी करने में यूज़ होते हैं. वाले साहब उनके एक हॉस्पिटल में टेक्नीशियन थे, बट ही इज़ अ PhD रिसर्चर नाउ फ्रॉम UAT Texla. Scholarship, and then an innovator, and then somebody invested 100 million rupees in his venture. That's 10 crore. The other girl, Tutor Gateway, I don't know, आपने सुना?
Exactly, we had that incubated with us after NIC Peshawar.
Very good. Tutor Gateway, then 11.pk, out of nothing, monthly revenue 40-50 lakh rupees. Jahangir, Bera shoes, right? Very good quality chappaleं, now selling on Amazon, $150 की, right? Peshawari chappal, come on, who would have thought they would come up with, I never wear shalwar kameez, so I never used to buy Peshawari chappal. Now I have 5 Peshawari chappal from Bera. And because of them, I had to buy shalwar kameez and start wearing them. Right? Just because they are so amazing. Another guy, जिसने अपने ना ये virtual reality, augmented reality के environment बनाने शुरू किए, right? Out of nothing. So वो जो आपकी अपनी VR, AR की games होती हैं, ये इस्लामाबाद में F11 में there's a place Megazone, उधर भी उन्होंने लगाया हुआ. So now they have installed their setups in around 8-9 places. Look at their faces. They reflect a certain confidence and certain happiness कि यार हम कुछ कर गुजरे. Financially, I'm telling you, because आप जब तक कोई scholarship में नहीं है, जो आप लोग पैसे पे करते हो अपने semester की fee, they were not privileged. They took the first step. And they did it. And I'm sure they will do a lot better. And they will grow and grow. बहुत problems आएंगी, कुछ उनमें से धक्के भी खा रहे होंगे अभी, लेकिन game on है. आप में से कौन बनेगा, that's a question mark. Right? Be that unique animal in the room who gives back to the society, who does something really good for his or herself, employs people. For this country, we don't need more job seekers. We need more job providers. So listen to Taimur and Abdul Main, whatever they have to say, to teach you, to train you, to mentor you, be part of the Business Incubation Center, and make sure that you guys do something really, really good for you. Right? Thank you, guys.
Hamza Khan came.
Acha Hamza Khan. Okay, great.
So it was, he was from the BBA department, Sir Imran Bashir Dar ka student tha, and he came to us and was in our first hall, and he was graduated with literally very gracefully.
Chalo, thank you.
I just wanted to see you, say my gratitude to you. Thank you very much for your time. Good work done by these two gentlemen, mashallah, and hope to have many more.
Welcome, sir. I think
They must have been very, they will benefited definitely at home, and will continue with that, inshallah. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.